Well, good Monday morning to you on Buckeye TV meteorologist Mike Groenke. We're talking about a roller coaster ride for weather this week. In fact, take a look at our weather headlines. We're talking about a chance for a little bit of a wintry mix possible later on today. Could be a little snow, sleet, freezing rain. Not going to be a big deal. We'll talk more about it here in just a second. But yeah, you probably heard about it by now. A warm-up is in the cards. Talking about highs possibly pushing 60 degrees by Thursday afternoon and Thursday evening. That should be pretty nice. But with the warm weather, often the case here this time of year, if we get that big warm-up, there is a risk for some severe weather. So we'll talk all about that here coming up in the next couple of minutes. I want to show you outside right now, though, because it's a beautiful sunrise this morning. Some orange, see there in the sky. Still have some snow on the ground out there, and that's helping to make it a little bit cold outside as well. And being cold, not going to be a good thing as some precipitation moves in our direction later on today. See, the pink and the orange on the radar, that's some sleet and freezing rain just out to our west. And this is slowly going to drift in our direction, it looks like, later on today, this afternoon and the evening hours tonight. And the exact temperature of when that precipitation falls is going to be very important because it could determine whether we're talking frozen precipitation or liquid rain, just normal rain. 28 degrees will be our temperature, looks like, at 2 p.m. this afternoon. Here's the key, though. 32 at 5 o'clock. And that's when I do think we could see, or at least we run the risk of seeing some light snow, maybe a little bit of sleet or freezing rain. It should not amount to a whole lot, but if we do see some, obviously that's right at the evening commute. It could cause some slick spots on the roads. So just keep that in mind. If you're going to be out around 5 or 6 o'clock later today, a little bit of light snow, sleet, freezing rain is possible, but it's not going to amount to a whole lot. We're talking just some isolated slick spots possible. Then we're going to be at 36 by 7 o'clock this evening, and so after about 6:30 or 7, we'll see the temperature warm into the mid-30s. And so looks like anything that falls, we just plain rain. No big deal for us whatsoever. Here's the temperatures right now. We see we're in the teens, even single digits out there. And that's one of the reasons why we're concerned. We have a long way to go until we get up to 32 degrees, it looks like, later on today. But we are going to have a little bit of help. We see some warmer air just off to our south. A little area of low pressure going to slide through, draw up some of that warmer air, and that'll help get us above freezing later on this evening. And actually, we're not going to be getting much of a cold shot behind this system. We're really going to continue to see this warm air be pumped up in our region Tuesday, Wednesday, and especially coming up on Thursday. In fact, on Thursday, you'll see a large area of low pressure going to start to take shape. Warm front comes through. There's the warmer air, but it's the cold front that comes in Thursday night that could pose a problem for us. A severe weather risk has been outlined by the Storm Prediction Center. It includes all of Indiana, Kentucky, and a good chunk of Ohio, including central Ohio here in Columbus. So damaging winds will be the main threat with that severe weather Thursday evening. We'll keep you tuned here right at Buckeye TV. We'll give you the very latest updates over the next couple of days. For tonight, low around 28 degrees, evening showers. We could be talking about some freezing drizzle overnight, though, as the lows dip back down below freezing. So keep that in mind if you're going to be out early tomorrow morning. Could be a little bit slick on the roads. It'll also be pretty windy, too. Wind gusts could go over 30 or 35 miles an hour later on tonight into the early morning hours tomorrow. 47 tomorrow, plenty of sun, certainly a lot warmer. It will feel very nice outside. Here's a look at that 7-day forecast. Brief cool down Wednesday before a high of potentially 60 degrees on Thursday, and the risk is there for some showers and storms. Some showers all day, we're talking storms and potentially some strong storms late Thursday evening into the overnight period, and then cooler heading into the upcoming weekend. Thanks for watching Buckeye TV. I'm meteorologist Mike Groenke.